Stabilized. Thrust rep.
Checked.
Takeoff thrust set.
Zebra 026 Heavy, reduce to your final approach speed. Skywest 4146, caution wind turbulence, runway 34 right, line up and wait, traffic will cross, additional traffic, heavy jet 6 mile final.
34 right, let up ways goes, 4146.
Skywest 3404 from Juliet, turn right on runway 34 center, left at Mike, hold short, runway 34 right.
Alright, on the Juliet, turn right on the runway 34 center, and then
Rotate.
Mike, and hold short, 34 right, Skywest 3401.
Oscar 832, traffic sorting cross, runway 34 right, contact
Positive rate.
1.7.
Gear up.
Alright, clear to cross 34 right, ground the other side of left, 832.
Delta 1143, cross, runway 34 right, contact ground point 7.
Cross 34 right, Delta 1143.
Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo, contact departure, have a good day.
Contact departure, good day, Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo.
Thrust rep inner speed.
Check.
Departure, good day, Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy, passing 1,400 for 9,000.
Autopilot.
Correction,
Check.
Turkish Air 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy, sail departure, good evening, radar contact, climb and maintain 15,000. Climb and maintain 15,000 Turkish, 7 Juliet Kilo Heavy.
15,000 checked.
Flaps 1.
Speed checked.
Horizon 2092, clear direct Bander. Clear direct Bander, or Bander, Horizon 2092. Turkish Air 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy, stay altitude leaving. We're passing 2,500 now. Thank you.
Flaps 1.
Delta 2523, contact center on 126.6.
Flaps 1.
126.6,
Speed
Delta
checks.
2523.
Flaps up.
After takeoff checklist.
After takeoff checklist complete.
Thank you.